How to pin, unpin any post on Facebook from your phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can pin or unpin any post on Facebook on your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're using the Facebook application on your phone and then you want to pin and unpin any of the posts, what you want to do is simply go ahead and first of all, open the Facebook application here. Once you open the Facebook app, you're going to see this type of interface where you simply need to tap the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top left, you're going to see this type of interface where if you scroll down, you'll be able to see many of the posts over here. Now if I want to pin a post, what I need to do is just tap the three dots next to it, tap on pin post, and the post will be successfully pinned to the top of my profile that says pin post. This way you can pin it, and to unpin it, you can just repeat the similar process. Tap the three dots next to the pinned post here, and then tap on unpin post, and the post will also get successfully unpinned. This way you can pin or unpin any post on Facebook on your phone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.